Can't cook without a beer? Forgot it. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Texas Brew and Barbecue. My name is Khristy Sherrell and I am your official backyard ambassador for Recteq. Speaking of Recteq, I just got back from Recteq Academy. It was pretty badass. Like, that's the only word I know to put on it. If you have not experienced a Recteq Academy, go to recteq.com right now. Sign up to their email and see if there's an opening, because I'm telling you what, you guys will have a blast and you're gonna learn so much. And that was a big thing that I took away from Academy, was I learned so much. And the cook today is something that, you know, we usually do. We'll go to the grocery store, we'll get some chicken legs, we'll season them up, we'll throw them on the grill and we'll cook them, right? That's what I did forever because I didn't know any better. There's probably some of you guys out there going, that's not the way to do it. I do it this way. It's probably the way I'm about to show you today. But for you that have never cooked chicken legs this way, you're with me, we're on the same team. So what we have here is we got some chicken legs that we just picked up at the grocery store, and we're gonna prep these legs a little differently today. We're gonna do some lollipop chicken legs. Why would you do lollipop chicken legs? Well, same reason that you would cook a huge ass brisket. You wanna show off. So we're gonna show off a little bit. Very easy to do, and it's really cool. People are gonna come by, and if you have this set up on your table, they're gonna be like, that's really cool. How do I do that? Then you send them the link to this video, they subscribe and all that good stuff. So let's get to it. First things first, we are gonna grab this chicken leg right here, okay? Just a regular chicken leg. You're gonna take the skin and you're gonna pull the skin back here, like so. Okay, keep pulling on it, keep pulling on it. Once we get this done, I want these to sit flat, okay? They're gonna sit up and they're gonna look pretty and it's gonna be a nice presentation. So I'm gonna take my sharp knife and I'm gonna cut to the bone and everything, a nice platform for this. So cut a nice little platform, this thing will stand up. Have you ever taken a bite of a chicken leg and you hit that tendon and it's like you had to like pull a little bit? Well, we're gonna take that tendon out. We are completely gonna cut that tendon out of there. We're gonna cut that guy out. Can't bite through that anyway. And if you see tendons in here, go ahead and cut them out. It's gonna make that bite so much better. All right, so after we have the chicken all trimmed up, you got that tendon cut out of there, I'm gonna use the brand new rub from Recteq. You guys watch my videos. You know I preach this every time. Recteq.com, get Chef Greg's 4-letter rub. This is a great all-purpose rub. Really, really, really packed with flavor. And Greg knows what he's talking about. I was there hands-on with that guy. He's like a meat scientist. I don't get it. I wish I had that brain, but he made this rub and I swear by it. So we're gonna take Greg's 4-letter rub and we are just going to season the chicken directly on the meat, okay? Just like so. Season it up. Easy, 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 easy. The next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take that skin and we're gonna pull it back over the meat as much as possible. So we're gonna cover that meat back up with the skin like so. All right, now here comes the fun part. This is how we make the lollipop. You can use a knife to do this. You can score it right on the bone like this and go all the way around. And cut that off. And then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna pull that skin off. I like to get some chicken shears like this, and it helps. You can just like squeeze and twist, and then you cut it off. All right, so once you do that, you just take the skin. If you have any like pieces sticking up, There you go. See, it's gonna sit up just like that. Boom. Now, this is the next step. We're gonna go over top of it with the Cimarron Docks Sweet Barbecue Rub. This stuff, oh man, I've never heard of this before until I went to Recteq Academy and blew my mind. Came back home. I was hitting Amazon the whole time. Anyway, let's go over top of the chicken, like so. All right, now, the thing about barbecue, the thing about cooking anything is you need surface area, okay? Surface area is where the smoke gets in, where the flavor gets in, where the seasoning gets in. That skin is not gonna absorb any seasoning or any smoke. So we have another Amazon purchase. This is a jacquard. So the jacquard, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna go over the skin and I'm gonna poke holes. Like so. This is gonna allow that seasoning to get in there. I have a few more here that I'm gonna prep. So I'm gonna prep these and then we are gonna get them ready to go on the bullseye. We are using the RTB 380 Recteq bullseye. That is the grill to get. It is the grill to get. It's the hottest grill on the market right now. Get yourself a bullseye, recteq.com. Have to check them out. All right, I'm gonna prep the rest of these and then we're gonna jump into the next step. We have our lollipops. They're all lollipopped. And we put them in a half pan here. So I'm gonna lay these guys down in this half pan and we are going to add one of my favorite ingredients to anything, butter. So we are going to just cut some butter and we are gonna put in this pan everywhere. All right, I have our half pan, our lollipops are in here, and we are going to give this a butter bath. We're gonna put these on the bullseye at 300 degrees for about 45 minutes. Now, our end temperature we're looking for is about 180 on chicken legs, about 180. So I'm gonna put these in here, I'm gonna let them take their butter bath, and then I'm gonna pull them off when they hit about the 170 mark. I'm gonna hit 170, 175. I'm gonna pull them off. We are going to dip these in some barbecue sauce, put them on a rack, put them back in there until they hit that 180. Let's get them on. Look at that, the butter bath. I forgot to prep this part of it. We're using that Meat Mitch Womp sauce. This is one of my favorite barbecue sauces in the world. We are gonna pour it in this mason jar. It's a nice thick sauce, so it's gonna coat those, chicken legs ever so beautifully. All right, we're gonna take it. You're just gonna dunk in. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, so we put these guys right back on the bullseye at 300 degrees. We want that barbecue sauce to get nice and tacky on there, and we're looking for that 180 degree internal temperature. And my God, when we take these off and you take a bite of that, woo! I've been waiting to take these things off because they look absolutely gorgeous. These things are beautiful. Easy does it. So now we are gonna plate these guys. Like I said, this is a fun cook just to put as a centerpiece. I mean, make these for your wife. She's gonna be like, what the heck? What the heck? And then you can be like, Ty showed me how to do this. And I can be like, yay, I did. This right here is Lollipop chicken. I mean, that is a pretty cool presentation. Friends and family come over and they're like, whoa, that's cool. Yeah, so that's it. All right, guys, Lollipop chicken, very easy to do, a little bit of prep work, but the results are really phenomenal. We'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.